Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then pick the settings. Now scroll down and choose Device Care. Wait a couple of seconds. And now, firstly, you can optimize your device. Now simply click on this tab and your device will do it automatically. Just give your Samsung a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so click on Done. Then you can pick the storage. And you can also automatically free up some storage by tapping on Clean. If it's active, then let's open the memory. Now you can stop some background apps by tapping on Clean Now. Click over here. Wait a couple of seconds and it will also definitely speed up your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So as you can see, it has been performed. Let's go back. You can also perform a virus scan, so if any viruses will be detected, then you will be informed and you will be able to delete them. Simply click on Scan Phone. And that's it. As you can see, your Samsung is secure, so there's no need to worry. And that's basically all. This is how you can speed up your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.